Yes,
Hello.
yes, yes.
Good evening to our respected principal, sir, teachers, and my dear students. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to present over here. Myself, Uddhav Ranjan Das, and our group name is Royal Mechanical. Today, we are gathered here in an interdepartmental competition known as the Mechanical Way. So, let's start the presentation. Our first point is mechanical engineering is a part of aerospace. Aerospace engineering is the branch of engineering concerned with the design, development, production, and testing of aircraft, spacecraft, and related equipment and systems. The field has traditionally focused on problems related to atmospheric and space flight, with two main and overlapping disciplines: astronautical engineering and aeronautical engineering. Aeronautical engineering is concerned with design, creation, and maintaining of travel machines, including spacecraft, satellite, helicopter, missiles, aeroplanes, and within the Earth's atmosphere. Astronautical engineering is a particular discipline of engineering that is concerned with the development aircraft, spacecraft that run outside the Earth's atmosphere. Both mechanical and aerospace engineers share their interest in the manufacture, design, testing of device machines. Their job is to create equipment that runs safely, effectively, and efficiently. They also test and investigate the equipment to make sure that it meets the necessary criteria and measures. There is an overlap in the engineering principles in the both disciplines. However, aerospace engineers challenge flight mechanics and aerodynamics in a way that mechanical engineers usually do not. If one aspires to become a mechanical engineer within the aerospace field, then they will have to become used to thinking like this. Aerospace engineers usually go on to work with the government or military opposed to a regular mechanical engineer, and they may take part with the designing and creating of satellites and weapons. It is essential for a mechanical engineer in the aerospace field to possess strong mechanical and mathematical skills. They will also need computer skills to operate design software and run simulations. It's common for those engineers to perform most of their duties in an office. They will also work full time, and project leaders may need to work overtime hours. As mentioned above, a mechanical engineer in the aerospace field will be involved in the design, manufacture, and testing of aircraft and the products that the aerospace industry uses. They will design spacecraft structures. These engineers are involved in things like making sure that a satellite is able to withstand the force of a rocket launch and its solar cell will work properly in orbit, and that its rocket engine is efficient with fuel used to reach orbit successfully. They could specialize in projects like mission systems, airframe structural analysis, and design or flight test. Aerospace engineering is important because it allows for the creation of new ideas that impact flight on Earth and in space. Because the aerospace engineering field is so diverse, some aerospace engineers focuses on aircraft on Earth, while others aerospace engineers study aircraft beyond Earth. Aerospace engineers are constantly developing advanced technologies to improve flight and air travel. Our next slide will be discussed by our other group member, Orgo Halna.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, yes.
Am I audible? Hello,
Yes, yes, you are audible. Yes.
myself Orgo Haldar. Good afternoon, everyone. My topic is any change in scenario of mechanical engineering before and after COVID-19. Pandemics like COVID-19 have created a spreading and ever higher threat to human health. High mortality and morbidity pose complex issues to industrial networks and manufacturing, including supply disruptions and demand-side shocks. Supply disruptions are attributed to production disruptions of direct suppliers and global transportations due to health risks and quarantine policies. Increasing panic among consumers and firms has distorted demand patterns and created market anomalies that has affected the ability to ramp up production in some industries. That means in the medical equipment industry and reduced operations in others. That means the aircraft industry. These emerging challenges stemming from COVID-19 require industrial networks to be robust to production disruptions and market environment changes, and the manufacturing system to be agile so that production capacity can be leveraged to be to control risk to support the needs to prevention. Intelligent manufacturing is a promising solution to improve production efficiency in light of the demands of this highly dynamic epidemic situation. IM, that means intelligent manufacturing, is built on enabling complex and real-time decision making within automated manufacturing assets, utilizing data from networked machines and sensors. The technology and engineering sectors have been hit extremely hard with the virus setting off inflationary trends in virtually every sector. Although some sectors could be the worst affected, for some it could be an exceptional growth opportunity. This changed scenario would also decide the choice of careers for engineers and technocrats in the days to come. Automation is going to be the key as it is only cost effective, but also does not get negatively affected by working from home. Be it the education sector, the healthcare industry, the manufacturing sector, or the construction industry, automation with focus on artificial intelligence, data sciences, machine learning, and Internet of Things are going to be the key drivers. Capacity reduction in large companies. A total of 790 companies from the mechanical engineering sector participated in the third VDMA flash survey on corona effects. The proportion of companies making capacity adjustments has rises from 75 to 83% in the last 3 weeks. More and more companies are sending their employees on short-time work and are arranging for production stops and staff reductions, even of parts of core workforce. Large companies with annual sales in excess of 1 billion euros are using these instruments for capacity adjustment more frequently than medium-sized companies, explains the VDMA chief economist. If the measures to the contain the corona pandemic are eased in the foreseeable future, one-third of the companies expect to need 1 to 3 months, and another third expects 3 to 6 months, respectively, to return to normal capacity utilization. More than 20% of the companies surveyed even expect 6 to 12 months for this step. Next point will be discussed by our another team member, Soumik Kormokar. Thank you.
Okay. Am I audible? Hello? Hello?
Yes, you are
Yes,
audible.
fine.
Okay. Okay. Our next point is career satisfaction of mechanical engineer. Based on 4,899 received the job of mechanical engineer has received a job satisfaction and rating of 3.73 out of 5. Average mechanical engineer are having satisfied with their job. Mechanical engineer are use maths and physics practice to design and product the world mechanical devices. Gadgets tends to be in high demand all around the world. These are some keys of factor on which satisfaction of mechanical engineer student may be defined as the some points like global opportunities, In mechanical engineer are in demand around the world. Every country needs this professional to work on their societies, many products and services. Another important point is high salaries opportunities. Mechanical engineers tends to earn healthy salaries due to demand in all around the world, and every sector qualified professionals have great employment and careers. The next point is forefront of future technologies. If we are exist by technologies, advances mechanical engineer could be the perfect career for us mechanical engineers lead on and develop new technologies, design products for a range of industries such as robotics, transport, construction, and healthcare. The next important point is multiple sector. After having a mechanical engineer, we can do for a mechanical for a job in a multiple sector, leading invention in the different varieties of industries and machines. Thank you, all sir, respectable sirs and their students. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. A very innovative presentation by your team. Now we have come to the very end of this program. So all the presentations went very well. Now I am requesting my co-host Ritik to continue.
Thank you. That was a great presentation given by all the teams on the today's final competition of the web mechanical. So now I have to call upon Paula sir to give the vote of thanks to this very presentation competition, the mechanical way. Sir, please give your wonderful words.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
am I audible?
Yes,
Yes, sir, you are audible.
A very good evening to respected principal sir, my dear colleagues and beloved students. I am honored to be a part of this wonderful event and also for getting an opportunity to deliver the vote of thanks at the grand finale